So, gano'n na kayo ka-excited for Tunes?
Of course, it's our first movie. So, sobrang kami kinakabahan and we hope you get to support our movie. Pwede naman kayo mag-intrusion naman. Pinintay mo kami! Pero parang kaya ka sa akin. Yes, pero alam ko naman susupportahan kami ng advertisers sa mga kapamilya na nandito ngayon. So, yun, excited kami. It's gonna be our first movie and our third project together. And I just wanna say thank you to Paolo for doing this third project with me. So, yun, we're very happy and excited dahil malapit na po ito. It's under Star Cinema and Mervin Frederick Chad Vidal.
Nasabi na ni Kim.
Message sa mga K-pop supporters naman.
To everyone who supported and watched our shows, I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I know part of this success is because of you guys. From Biglang to What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, napakaraming intrusion. So I want to thank everyone for your support, and I hope we get the same support for our upcoming movie. This secret muna.
Malapit na po, malapit na. So, ayun, under Star Cinema, My Love Will Make You Disappear. I hope you get to support us. Thank you so much, everybody.